All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250, a long wheelbase mid-roof with 36,000 miles. Beautiful white with the gray vinyl interior. AM FM stereo system. It's got your backup camera, power windows, power door locks. Super nice, best of all. Minimum damage. Here's your front bumper. Looks good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter here does have some scratches. I believe you can see them. See, there you go. Very minimal. Some here. All right. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Looks like this was painted or something. It has some bubbles. Not bubbles, dents around. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And tire thread is at 1230 seconds. Because you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, you're going to have to change the striker. That's why it's making that sound. Or the check, door check. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Take it, find the key. It does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. The boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. Here we go. Your lights. You got ABS. You got ABS, traction, and I don't know what that is, but that's what you got. 36,324,000 miles is what is in here, and that pretty much completes the tour. Coming around. Quarter. Coming around. This rear door looks good. So it does have a little dent right there, about 2 inches. Doors. Looks good. Doors does swing out there. Boom. This one here is missing the thing that goes in here, but it does work. As you can see, I did open it up. This is what this door looks like coming around here. Here's of course what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Does have some wheel wells, look good. This is what this door looks like. Boom. Up there, I'm gonna go get the ladder real quick. Get the ladder. That ladder. See what's going on top. 1 second, guys. All right, let's check this out. Boom. Your roof. The roof looks real good. The roof looks good. I don't see any things, dents or anything up. Oh, there's one right here. Right in front of my face. It's a little dent right there. That's about it. All right. Check out this quarter. Does have a dent here with some paint off, as you can see. Got a little thing there. That's pretty much it. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. And tire thread is over 1230 seconds. This door has some damage right there. Boom. Boom. That's about it. The rest of the door looks good. I don't know, the actual dent right there. All right, and this is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. And this door has some heavy scratch here and some little chippies. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, and rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread. This line under 730 seconds. Just the hairline. Lights all working. Car is running. Things are great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-250 long wheelbase mid-roof with 36,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.